Get broadcast sound effect 1 and put it inside the fire sprite before a fire cone is created. When I receive sound effect 1, find a sound effect called symbol in the library. Drag out start sound symbol. For the power-up sound effect, get broadcast sound effect 1 and put it before a branch of fire is created. You can hear that it is not playing the sound effect correctly because it is not playing the sound once, but playing multiple times. If you are not sure what I am talking, rename the broadcast to be sound effect 2. Get when I receive sound effect 2. Find a sound effect called drum jam. And drag out start sound. You will find that the sound effect is different from what we expect. To solve this problem, make a new variable called soundEffect2 once. Get an if block and put the broadcast inside. Set the condition to be if the new variable is 0, which means false. We also set the new variable to 1 immediately after processing the broadcast. This can ensure the broadcast can be run for once only. We are not done yet. Go to Backdrop Sprite. Initial the new variable to be 0 to make sure the broadcast can be run when we just begin the game. And after the power-up holds for 3 seconds, we set the new variable to be 0 again, so that the broadcast can be run again after finishing the power-up.